Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks, and I'm trying to do an optical illusion. I'm not quite there yet. I need to figure some more things out, but this would be a neat text effect anyway. So I just picked the word love, and I'm using block letters, and I'm a left click, right click. And I am going to move these out of the way. Well, I don't really have to, but I'm going to put this in the center of the page, like I always do if you've watched enough of my video. Then I'm going to take a 2-point line and holding down the control button and make it perpendicular. I'm going to go ahead and make it black by right clicking. I'm going to go ahead and double click on my pen tool. I'm going to make it 2 points. Doesn't really matter. Then I'm going to rotate it 45 degrees. And then I'm going to go to a docker. I very seldom ever use this docker on transform or transformation. And with this set at 0, and I can make 50 lines a ½ inch apart going on the X. And I'm using the bottom positioning. And then I'll just hit apply. That might not be enough, so I can hit it apply again, and I've got 50. I am going to group these together, object, group, or Control G. I'm going to hit P and put that in the center of the page. I am going to set my nudge factor on, let's see how big this thing is. It's 18 inches wide. I'm going to set my nudge factor on 20. And I am going to make a duplicate of this by hitting the plus key on the keyboard and moving that down. Then I'm going to take my top one and I am going to go back minus front. I'm going to take my bottom one and without moving the love, I'm going to mirror it the other 45 degrees. And then I'm going to take this, select it all, and I'm going to go front minus back. And what that did, that created a hole. And then I can just nudge it up. So now your lines are going the opposite direction. Pretty cool. I'm trying to figure out how to make my lines equal. And if somebody will chime in, or I think I've got it figured out maybe, but that'll be in the next video. And then of course, like always, if you want to make a rectangle out of it, you could group it all, Control G, and then get you a rectangle and make you a rectangle, and then select it all and intersect. So now you have something that you could engrave or print with different colors. I mean, that'd be cool. You could even do one color for this and one color for the other lines. So I'm not going to call this a optical illusion yet, but it is a neat text effect. Hope that helped.